Hello students, continuation of exercise 1.1, question number 4, second question. You have to solve using the identity. So second question is 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. So this is one term, second term and third term. Now which two terms are having the same number? So in first term you have 2 upon 5 and in last term you have 2 upon 5. So to take out 2 upon 5 common, you should write this together. So you have to write this term over here and this term over here. So you are shifting the terms, means you have to apply the commutative property. So 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. This is a question. Now you have to write this term and this term together. Then only you can take out 2 upon 5 common. So 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2. So you have just interchanged the places. So which property we are use? Commutative property. Right? Now can you take out the common from these two terms? So what is common? 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5 is common. In bracket what it will be remain? From this term it will remain minus 3 upon 7 and from this term it will remain 1 upon 14. Now here you can cancel this. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So minus 1 into 1 upon 2 into 2 is 4. Right? So we had take out common. So which property we had applied over here? Distributive property. To solve this you will take an LCM. So 2 upon 5. What is the LCM of 7 and 14? 14. So this you have to make it 14. So how you will make this 14? We'll multiply 7 with 2. So you have to multiply numerator also with 2. That is 3 into 2 is plus 1 minus 1 upon 4. So this will be 2 upon 5 bracket minus plus is minus. 6 minus 1 is 5. Greater number sign is minus. Minus 1 upon 4. Right? Now can you cancel this? 5 and 5 cancel. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So what is left over here? 1 and this minus. So 1 upon 7 is left. 1 upon 4. Now what you will do? We'll take an LCM because it is a fraction you are getting. 7 and 4 LCM is 28. Minus 4 minus 7. This is equal to minus minus plus. 4 plus 7 is 11. and greater number sign is minus. So minus 11 upon 28. You cannot cancel this 2. So final answer is minus 11 upon 28. So we had completed exercise 1.1 first question using the property. Now we'll do the second question of the same exercise, that is write the additive inverse of each of the following. So additive inverse means negative of the number. So if number of positive is additive inverse is negative. If number is negative, its additive inverse is positive. So first question is 2 upon 8. Its additive inverse is, it is positive, so you will get. Second is minus 5 upon 9. Negative, so it will become positive. Its additive inverse. Now over here, both are having minus, so minus minus will get cut. It will be 6 upon 5. So its additive inverse is 6. This number is positive, so number will be negative. That is, both minus minus will get cancelled, so it is a positive number. So additive inverse is negative. 2 upon minus 9, so it will be 2 upon 9. This is 19 upon minus 6, so this will be 19 upon 6. So this is a second question.